In addition to streaming and making content, I've began consulting with other streamers, fixing their problems, upgrading their setups, and in doing so, I came across a client that didn't know that they can share their recordings from their streaming PC over their network to their gaming PC. Today's video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. I'm going to show you how I share my recordings from my streaming PC to my gaming PC. The most important thing here is that both computers are connected to the same network and preferably via Ethernet. This should work via Wi-Fi, but it's much more reliable over a hardwired connection. Assuming both computers are connected to the same network, we'll start here on the streaming PC. In the Windows search bar, you want to type sharing. You'll find an option called Manage Advanced Sharing Settings. Hit enter, a new window will open. You'll start at the top and you'll work your way down. The first section is about a private network, which should be your home network. You'll want to make sure Turn on Network Discovery is selected, as well as the box Turn on automatic setup of network connected devices. You'll also want to select Turn on file and printer sharing. I have both options selected on public networks as well. These are my desktops, they're not going anywhere. Finally, you'll want to expand your all networks section. Under all networks, you'll want to turn on public folder sharing. Media streaming doesn't matter in this case. For file sharing connections, you can leave it on the standard 128-bit encryption. I've changed mine, this doesn't really matter to you. The last setting here is password protected sharing. You'll want to make sure that setting is set to off because you'll want none of the folders we're about to share to be password protected. When you're done, you'll click Save Changes at the bottom. I haven't made any changes, so it's not available to me. I've enabled those same sharing settings on my gaming PC, so you can see in the left-hand column both PCs listed. The next thing we need to do is share the actual folder where your recordings are stored. Typically, instead of just sharing the recording folder, I'll share the entire drive where my recordings are stored. I'll show you all how I do it on my D drive. It's as simple as right-clicking the drive, selecting Properties, going to the Sharing tab, clicking Advanced Sharing, checking the box Share this folder, and under Permission, you can choose how much control you want to give to this drive over network. If you're editing, I recommend giving full change and read control. As you can see, I've already done that for this drive. In the sharing tab, you'll also see the network path. You can type this in the address bar of File Explorer to go directly to this network location, even on your gaming PC. In the last step of this video, I'll show you how you can mount this shared location as a drive on the gaming PC so it looks like an external hard drive. You can repeat this step for every hard drive and folder on your streaming PC. If I select the E drive, which is almost full, and go to Properties, Sharing, Advanced Sharing, you can see here I've already shared this folder as well. So now we have Windows Explorer open on my gaming PC, and you can see I've navigated to the D drive on my streaming PC where all my recordings are. I've already mounted the D drive from the streaming PC as the W drive on my gaming PC, but I'm going to show you with my E drive on the streaming PC how you can do this. In the top of the Explorer window, if I select Easy Access and select Map as a drive, a new window will appear. I can choose the letter. In this case, I'm going to use X because it's the next letter. In here, I'll simply paste the network address of that E drive. We're back on the streaming PC. If I right-click Properties and go to Sharing, you can see that the network path is //desktop/E for the drive. If I select this and copy it, we can go back to the gaming PC and paste it into the field. I'm also going to select the box Reconnect at Sign In. That way it looks as if to Windows, this drive is connected every time I log in. We'll click Finish and you'll see what happens. You can see Windows has opened a new Explorer window that has the entirety of the contents of my E drive mounted as a drive on the left. I know this is a super short video, but I just wanted to get it out there because it helped somebody and a lot of people didn't know about it. Everybody on Twitter went wild about this tweet. If it helped you out, like the video, make sure you're subscribed, click the bell so you know when I upload another one. Catch me over on Twitch. I'm live a lot. I answer a bunch of questions in chat. Twitch.tv/art_is_war. And until the next video, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.